Everyone thinks Toothless's kids are just cute, but that's not true. They might actually be more dangerous than him. Most people completely miss this. First, they don't turn invisible. That's a myth. It's actually thermal camouflage. They heat up their skin and reflect light, just like the light fury, which means they can vanish mid-attack. Second, their fire isn't normal, it's plasma. The same insanely explosive blast as Toothless. So yeah, these babies can literally one-shot enemies. But here's the part nobody talks about. If they inherited Toothless's DNA, they might also have his lightning absorption. That means in a storm, they wouldn't run. They'd charge up and come back stronger. And finally, they're not just powerful, they're smart. Dart can draw. Rough Runner recognized Hiccup from just a shadow. So these aren't cute side characters, they're fast, invisible, intelligent, and possibly stronger than Toothless himself.